Well, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I tell you what to do with your instant noodles. I'll just show you what I do with these. This one's from China. This is Yumei. Noodles with scallion oil, or noodle with scallion oil. Noodle. And this one's from China. Noodle. Stuff. And we cook the noodle for a whopping 4 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna go on the 4-minute side of things. I'm not gonna go crazy yet. But we just boil it and then drain it. What does our little thingy say? It says it's a product of China, but I will bet you these are from Taiwan. Ouch! There we go. And I dropped a couple little tiny things. Let's see. Yeah, where's our band? Yuxiang food. Sometimes they have stuff on them, and this one does. I don't know if you can even see that. Let me see what I can do about that. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Yuxiang. I think that's how you'd pronounce it. Now, is it paper or plastic? It's paper. I try to be like completely informational here to some degree. So the reason I got Taiwan on the brain is because today I released the top 10 Taiwanese instant noodles of all time 2022 edition. And actually it's 2021. You're like, why do you do that, the Ramen Reader? Because some jerkwad told me that's the way I should be doing it, and it made sense to me, but it doesn't make it sense to most other people. So for top 10 lists that come out before the midpoint of the year, those will be the year. For those that come after the midpoint, they'll be named with the following year, because most of the time that top 10 list is going to be the top 10 officially from the Ramen Reader will take place in that year. Logical? I think so. It's October, the top 10 2022 list. There's only 2 months left in 2021. People be like, oh, that must be an old list if they're looking at it in 2022. So, I mean, I think it makes sense. I can dig on it, but apparently there's a lot of people who think that that's just like ridiculous. What do you think you are? Selling cars? It's like, no, but think about it. No. People don't want to think. But it's a good list. If you haven't seen it yet, please go grope around on your keyboard, find your glasses, have a little caffeine. I like to have Bang. It's flavorful, delicious, has all the caffeine I need. It takes a couple of those a day for me to function, I swear. Oh, we got 1 minute and 20 seconds left. But yeah, this is the first top 10 list I've done in a long time in front of a green screen, since pretty much COVID started and my kids couldn't go to school. So that's a big deal. That's a really big deal. The only reason I'm doing it is because my kids are going to school. So, and yeah. Just been busy playing with the computer, playing with video, a lot of video editing, some unboxings. Now I'm back to reviewing, and this is where I need to stick to for a little while, because it's like, I want to say in the last month I've done maybe like 10 reviews, because I've been just doing all this other junk. It's been nice too, because like I've been going out to lunch with my wife and doing more walking, at least trying to do more walking. The weather's starting to get funky. It's in that spot where it's like, oh, I need a coat. No, a coat's gonna be too warm. Like yesterday I went out, it was sunny, but I wore my coat and I'm glad I did, because I was about an hour into walking and I had about a half an hour to get home. It just opened up and started dumping, so. That's the weather around here. Wait 15 minutes, it'll be something else. That's kind of the rule of thumb. But anyways, let's drain this sucker, add some sauce, and make it so. Stuck to the bottom. For shame, you schwang. Yeah. There's our noodle. And we've got our, looks like an oil, soy, I'm sure it's just scallion oil with some soy sauce in there. This looks, I mean, that's why I'm kind of like on the hinge here, or the, like, it says it's a product of China, but this certainly seems like a Taiwanese thing. Somebody decided, here we go. Yeah, it's too much noodle for, I mean, there's a lot of oil in that, but it's almost like there's too much noodle. It like overwhelms. It's just going to be a dry, hairy clump. And then it says to add this sachet and stir it in. Well, 4 servings of this, huh? How much you get in a box. It seems a little interesting. It doesn't mean it's not going to be really good, but as far as like manipulating this food is kind of difficult. There you are. Yeah, it's scallion-y, all right. I'm kind of on the fence with this one. I don't know how else to put it. It's not bad, but there's something. It's just, it's very dry. It would be good with like maybe more sauce of some sort. I mean, it would be a really good accompaniment. If you put some like duck on top, that might be good. I gotta say, I do like duck. Quack, quack, quack. Generally, I like to sprinkle it around so you can see all the little bits and pieces, but honestly, for this one, I think centerpiecing it with scallion is a nice thing to do. Alright. Yeah? Rotato, do your thing. All right, thanks for watching. Now, the next one I got, oh boy, I'll just show you. Nudie, smoky garlic. I'm gonna tell you right now, the last time I had a box of Nudie, I was thrilled, I still am. This one will be on tomorrow. And look at the green noodles, and they're good. But smoky garlic. Man, I hope this stuff is violently garlicky. I bet you it'll be good. Anyways, this is Bonds the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And have a good one, and bye.